So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to reset Google Chrome to default setting. First of all, open Google Chrome on your computer or mobile. I'm opening this in my laptop. And then choose your account. And then at the top right, click the three dots. Then scroll down and click on settings. And then scroll down and click on the reset settings. Click on the restore settings to their original defaults. And now here click on the reset settings. Now this will disable extensions and reset settings, but your bookmarks and password will not be deleted. Now close it.